Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know if you guys can see me, but today we are going on the lawnmower. Jumping. I don't know. You're sitting. If you do not know what it looks like, it looks like okay. This is how high I am. I'm very high. So I'm gonna be showing you guys. I think I've used lawnmowers. Some stuff I don't know. Some things I do. Well, so if you see this, if you do not know what this thing is a steering wheel. Can you guys say steering wheel? Okay. I don't know what this means, so why? Now we have this orange thing. This orange thing is to start the engine. If you want to see this, what this yellow button is, can you say engine? And you see this little thing that backs it up. And I don't know what that this is. I don't know. So bye.